Right, so EPQ is an extra subject that you can do at King's alongside your A-levels. So it doesn't matter what A-levels you're doing because it complements all of them. It stands for Extended Project Qualification, and it's all about running your own project. So you can do it on anything you want. You can be as creative as you like. We teach you the skills you need. So you are having taught sessions to begin with before we set you off on your own. And then the taught sessions become fewer and you do more independent work. So we will teach you how to do research and how to formulate a research question, how to use the resources that you have available to you and how to find more of them, and finally how to plan a project and follow it through. The supervisors will guide you through the process and you'll have a series of meetings with them as you go through. So once you've decided what you'd like to do, you'll have a meeting with your supervisor and they'll help you to work out any changes you might need to make. Once you've got a plan for what to do and when to do it and what your deadlines might be, they'll help you with that. And so on right until the end. When you've finished, you'll show them a draft version of your dissertation and they will help you to make changes and make it as good as it can be. The marks are split between the dissertation that you write and the project planning that you do. So you'll learn some really useful skills for university.
So I want to go on to study medicine at university, so I chose my topic on something related to this. I did mine on whether the NHS should be recommending e-cigarettes for smoking cessation. So I got quite into it and I ended up writing about 30,000 words, so I mean it's quite lengthy, but I mean that's what happens when you're writing about something that you actually are interested in.
You can choose to either do a pure research project and write a 5,000 word dissertation which answers your research question, or you can be more creative and do what's known as an artifact project. So there you choose a creative outlet, so you might make a piece of art or write a short story. We've had people do translations, somebody made a website, sometimes people do science experiments, and then you write a much shorter dissertation because half of your time is spent making your creative artifact.
I chose to do an artifact as it suited my topic area better. So I'm looking to be a civil engineer in the future, and I decided to explore a more niche field of civil engineering, which is biomimicry. And I used this to model a building inspired by a sea urchin structural design. It was really a great opportunity to challenge myself. I didn't think that I could achieve what I did. I've really enjoyed doing my EPQ because it's been a really new experience for me, from learning how to properly research and write dissertations to challenging myself to new limits. It's been a really great opportunity for me.
It's a really interesting course. It is a lot of work. You have to put in an extra hour's work outside of lessons every week, and obviously that's on top of your A-levels, but it's worth half an A-level. So it's marked up to A star, unlike an AS, which is only marked up to an A. So it does give you UCAS points, and many universities now are very keen on it because it's taught you the skills that you'll need during your degree. So you might find that if you do an EPQ, you'll get a lower offer for whatever course you choose to do than if you don't do an EPQ.